Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to enter your Honda CR-V radio code. Many Honda vehicles require a 5-digit security code after the battery has been disconnected or replaced. This anti-theft feature ensures your stereo is protected. We will guide you through finding your specific code and then show you the straightforward process to get your radio working again, so you can enjoy your favorite tunes on the road. Finding your radio code is often simpler than you think. First, look for a small white sticker, usually inside your glove box or within your owner's manual. This sticker often contains the 5-digit anti-theft code. If it's not there, you can retrieve your radio's serial number by holding down preset buttons 1 and 6, then turning the radio on. With your VIN and the serial number, you can visit the official Honda website or call your local dealership to obtain your unique code. Once you have your 5-digit radio code, entering it is a quick process. Start by turning your vehicle's ignition to the on position and powering on your radio. The display should prompt you with code or enter code. Now, simply use the radio's preset buttons, labeled 1 through 6, to input each digit of your code. For example, if your code is 12345, press button 1, then 2, and so on. After the 5th digit, your radio will beep and resume normal function. If your radio doesn't unlock after entering the code, don't worry. First, confirm you have the correct 5-digit code for your specific Honda CR-V. If the display shows error, try disconnecting your vehicle's negative battery cable for 1 to 3 minutes to reset the system. Then, re-enter the code carefully. If problems persist, your best next step is to contact an authorized Honda dealership. They can provide expert assistance and ensure your radio is fully functional.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.